we continue. We're at part E, which says BrCH2CH2OH. What am I going to do? This is so simple. We just put our C and a C. Remember, we focus on the carbons, right? And one has a Br, then two H's. Then the other one has two H's and an OH. So we can say, you can even put it like this to say OH. They like to put it like this to say OH or something. Whatever, you can put it like that. It's still fine. This is what you have. And you can go to part F. No, let's put the bond line like this. Then we put an OH. Then we put here a Br. Okay? So it's Br, then we have these carbons and whatever. So this will be it. So there's a carbon here and another carbon here. Oops, I put too many. So let me do it again. So it's like this. OH comes here. There's one carbon, two carbons, then Br comes here. Okay? Should always count. Should always count. Because there are two of them. So 1 and 2, and then here is an OH. We don't count a carbon here because, yes, it's the end, but there's an OH. Remember, if there's something at an end, there's no carbon there. So here there's a Br, so there's no carbon here. But if I just left the end like this, then there would be a carbon, but here there is no carbon. So we only have two carbons, and these are the things. And we are done, right? So this is what it is. Now we can go to the next and the last and final one for this, which is F, which says we have CH3, CH2, CH2, and these are two of them, and a CHOH. Now, this is not rocket science. The moment I look at this, I know they are connected to this carbon, both of them. Why are they both connected to this carbon? Why are they both connected to this carbon? Because look at this carbon. We have only this carbon, which is connected to an H. It is connected to an OH, and then it is connected to these two, which makes it 4. Okay? So what we could have is we have our carbon like this, and then this side we put this chain, okay, which is a CH3. Okay, maybe I can first do it with a pencil to say it's a CH3, CH2, CH2. Then this other side we put the same thing, which is now a CH2, CH2, CH3. Then here we put the OH. Then here we put the H. Or we can put the H upstairs on the top, and then we put the OH at the bottom. Because there are two of them, I like to put it one on the left and the other one on the right. You can do that. It just makes it nicer. So now we can draw it as it's supposed to be. So it's going to be, here we have a C and a C and a C. So like this. Then here we have a C with two H's, then another C with two H's. Then we have a C with those three H's. So it'll be like a C, H3 now at the end, which is H, H, H. So it is CH3, CH2 here, CH2 here, CHOH, CH2. We have an H, we have an H, we have an H, we have an H, and we have an H. All right, so this is the whole thing, and you'd be done with the F, and that's what it is. Is that hard? No, it's not hard, okay? It's not even complicated. Practice makes perfect, so I'd like you to always try on your own, and then you check with the solutions. See if we have the same solution. Maybe I'm wrong sometimes. I don't know. You check. But it is what it is. Let's go to part number 2A. I'll always tell you where I'm taking it from, and you can always be able to refer. Okay, that is it. Goodbye for now.